So today I'm flying on a really special airplane, a plane I haven't been on in quite a while. I'm talking about the Queen of the Skies, the 747-800. Last time I was on a 747 on the upper deck, which is what we'll be on today, was on TWA, and it's been many years ago. So I'm super excited to again fly on the 747 upstairs. And today I'm going to be on Lufthansa. I'm going with my mom and my niece, which is where I'm on my way right now to go pick up. And we have seats 87A, 88A, and 88C, which 88A and C are side by side. So we're grouped together, so that's nice. We actually have the same exact seats on the way back, which is going to be a separate video, only because I want to see the difference in the service and the crew. And I'll compare those two. So it'll be two separate videos on the trip there and the trip back. But I'm super excited to fly on the Queen of the Sky, the 747 800 series specifically, because they are phasing these planes out, and eventually they will be gone, which is sad, but I'm grateful that I'm able to do it. Actually, I'll be doing it again later this year to go to the Christmas markets in Germany, something I've never done and always wanted to do. My mom is actually German, and she's never seen them either. So it's something we've always talked about doing, and so we're going to do it this year. And the funny thing is, we're actually taking the same exact flight on the same airplane with the same seats. Yes, already booked. And I'll take you guys along on that journey too. But for today, we're going to go get my mom, get my niece, head to LAX, and go to the lounge. I'll show you a little bit about what the lounge is about there. And then hop on the Queen of the Skies and head to Germany. So let's go. So one of the first things I wanted to check out was the outdoor area at the Star Alliance Lounge, which has pretty good views, a little bit obstructed. On this day, there was nobody there, basically. It was just me and some other person. And not a lot of planes to see either, other than a Delta. But the lounge outdoor area is really cool, I gotta say. After heading back through the doors, I went towards the shower area, which is really nice. I didn't use it, but it's a really, really nice area, which is nice for long hauls on a layover or something like that. And then I headed down the hall and checked out the different rooms they have. This is kind of a quiet media room, they call it. And then heading down further, this is the main area here. And they have a little bit of an outdoor area here. It kind of U-shapes around to the other side and goes back into the lounge itself. This is an overview of what the lounge looks like here. They have a self-serve little area there for pastries and coffees and things, and then they have the bar itself. Something I found interesting is this little bar here is a self-serve bar. Pour what you want, drink what you want. A little surprising. Overall, the lounge is really nice. I'd go ahead and I'd give it 5 stars for sure. The food was great. Lots of choices there. I would have liked to seen a couple other little things. There was a lot of vegetarian options. I'm not a vegetarian, but overall the food was really good. Lots of drinks, plenty of beer. I opted for a German beer. Means I was on my way to Germany. Actually, I had a couple of them. And then something I found really interesting is after you sit down and you eat all your food, they have this little robot to come around and clean up the mess. But let's get on to what we really came for, the 747. So after getting settled in, I decided to check out the seat pocket to see what was in there. And in there I found the amenity kit, which came in a really cool bag designed by Porsche. And also in there was a bottle of water. So that was nice. I checked out what was inside the amenity kit and found a toothbrush, mints, facial cream, eye mask, and eye gel, whatever that is. The legroom was really nice, as expected. Had no problem stretching out and relaxing, so that was really nice. Appreciated that. However, the IFE was really slow, really clunky, but my biggest complaint overall would be the visibility. It was just really fuzzy, blurry, and the glare, no matter which way I turned it, just seemed to never go away, which isn't bad. I don't watch movies on planes anyway, so not a big deal. Soon it was time for pushback and takeoff of the Queen of the Skies and heading to Frankfurt. Shortly after takeoff, it was time to order our lunch, which I was pretty excited about because I was hungry. But this menu has been around for a long time. Many of you may recognize it. It's pretty much on every Lufthansa review there is. But I went ahead and put in my order when they came around and told them what I'd like for my choices. However, me, along with several other passengers, weren't able to get what we wanted because it wasn't available. They kept saying they ran out, which I found to be a bit strange and annoying at the same time. The food and the service on this flight was anything but great. As a matter of fact, I didn't even eat much of my main course. I just ate the salad and a roll because it just didn't taste good. Others also said the same thing, and my mom's food was tough and not really edible either. Dessert was average. But after eating, I decided to lay the bed down and get myself in a short nap, which normally I don't sleep on flights, but this time I decided to give it a shot, and I succeeded. After I woke up, we were on our arrival to Frankfurt. We had a light breakfast meal, which was actually really good. It was an omelet. Service during the flight was not great. We were pretty much left alone for the whole entire journey outside of lunch service and light breakfast. Overall, not impressed. We'll see how the return flight is. But anyway, welcome to Frankfurt. See you on the next flight.